Maggie the Magpie is visiting, guys. Now, he lives here, guys. Maggie the Magpie lives here. He's lived in my house for years. That's his partner. And that is my other pet, Magpie Lark. He lives here as well with his partner. And you've seen his nest. And those are the chickies babies, guys. She's trying to kick them out. She wants them to be independent. That's Petunia's hubby. Oh, no, that's not him. Where's Petunia's hubby? It's the plumpy guy. He was here just before. Oh, there he is. There's Petunia's hubby.